What's up, everybody? So, look what I have in front of me. It's a box. It's not any box though. It is my new Sony A7S III. I've been waiting for this camera for over 3 months. Actually, it's a little bit more than 3 months, but I pre-ordered it 3 months ago and it finally came in today. So I'm super excited to share this unboxing with you guys because this camera has a really big significant meaning to me, and I'm very excited to just express to you guys why this camera means so much to me. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Javier from Mavic Hero Films, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this new Sony A7S III. Stay tuned. Alright, so thank you guys for all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you find any of my videos of use, go ahead and hit that like button. But today we're gonna go ahead and unbox my new Sony A7S III. And let's just get to it because honestly, I've been waiting all day for this. I'm really excited. Let's open it up. Now, if you guys have ordered a Sony A7S III from any retailer, especially B&H, be prepared to wait. I waited a week over the launch, which was on the 24th, and I just got it today, which wasn't as bad as I expected, but I did order mine within the first couple of hours of it, actually, the pre-order is going live. So I was a little worried I wasn't gonna get it until later on because they're speculating there's gonna be a lot of delays on these. But that's not the case for me because we got the Sony A7S III right here. So here's about the box. This is what matters. This is why you guys are all here for. I know you guys are just dying to see me open this, but I think the one dying here is me. Like a little kid on Christmas. And don't judge me. Listen, I know it's just a camera, but it has big significant meaning to me because I worked so hard to get this camera, and this is, in my mind, a milestone for me to reach my goals of my business. So I know this is just a tool, and that's what I intend to use it as, but it's gonna be a tool that will overall better my production quality and help me be more creative. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's up with this new camera. All right, put it this way so you guys can see it. We have, honestly, I don't know what this is yet, so we're just gonna put it to the side. We have a USB Type-C cable, which I'm assuming this is for charging it. I do know that there's a charger already included in here from all the other unboxing videos. And if you guys haven't already seen them, I know they're all over the internet, like I said before, but this is for my personal, memory. We have all of our warranty cards and we have our manuals in 2 different languages. Let's put these to the side because we don't need these. And let's keep the unboxing going. So it's pretty cool that Sony decided to go ahead and include a charger for your battery, even though the camera does charge through USB Type-C as well. But it is cool to have this. That way you can charge a separate battery on the side. You don't have to wait. I do have 3 batteries on the side that I ordered so that I can be ready for this. But this is pretty nice. Just your standard charger. Mind you, you guys are paying $3,500 for a camera. You would expect that to be in there. It'd be really shitty of Sony if they didn't include that. Yeah, it's leather, but you got a strap. What else we got? And we got that's for your charger as well. The charging cable. I know the batteries in here, some are hidden, and I think it's towards the back, so we're gonna leave that for last. But here's the camera. We're gonna leave this on the side. Let me get that battery out. There it is. why Sony will hide it all the way in the bottom. But guys, this is a moment that I'm gonna cherish. It is my first real professional, well, not professional, but over $1,500 camera that I own. And Jesus is beautiful. It's just so nice. Like here, hold it. Like, I just want you guys to hold this. It's, man, it's really nice. Like, of course, the flippy screen that everybody was wanting. I think it's really good that Sony decided to go ahead and include that. We're in an age now where either whether you're vlogging or you're using a gimbal and you just need that shot tilted or switched around, it comes in handy. So for them to have included this is just badass to me. It's really nice. It just feels, it has a nice weight to it. Doesn't have the battery in it, so I'm sure it's gonna be heavier, but the biggest thing that I've noticed compared to the A7 III is just the grip is definitely wider. It feels better in your hand, and the ergonomics on this is just, feels great. It has a nice texture to it, so you could definitely grip it up. Yeah, it's nice, guys. This is really nice. I love that they put the record button on the top now. It's a lot easier, a lot bigger, more pronounced. Definitely not hidden in the back like the other cameras. Now, when I bought this camera, well, before I pre-ordered it, I was already with my mindset on this camera because of all the overheating issues from the R5. So I did decide to buy the Trinity from Tamron. I bought all three lenses, all three zoom lenses that they just released from it, and I got a really good deal on them. This is one of my biggest purchases that I've made to invest in myself and invest in my business. Listen, do yourself a favor, guys. Don't worry about what anybody tells you, their opinions. If you've been thinking about getting a camera like this, don't let people pressure you out of not buying it just because you're not established and maybe you should start with something less and not drop the money. I'm a firm believer of buying something once and not having to buy again. So if you're really serious about whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's videography, photography, invest in yourself and dedicate time into your craft. That's the best advice I can probably give you. Awesome, guys. So I'm glad that you guys were able to go ahead and experience this unboxing with me because it's a really special unboxing. Out of all the stuff that I ever unboxed, this is honestly my favorite thing that I've ever unboxed, and it's gonna mean the most to me. If you guys have any questions regarding the camera, or if you guys have any suggestions you guys wanna see, go ahead and shoot a comment down below. I will respond to you guys. And if for any reason you guys have not subscribed to my channel, do yourself a favor, just support me, subscribe to my channel. I promise I make cool content, you will enjoy it. And until the next one, guys, peace.